Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you Udemy solo ad review. Buy cheap and high converting solo ad. Alright, my name is Andy here and I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel here, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, what is Udemy? Udemy is solo ads marketplace where sellers and buyers get in contact with each other to trade solo ads deal. The site is free to sign up, and best thing about Udemy is how fast you can get started with it. What makes this solo ads marketplace is different from other solo ads websites is that Udemy guarantee the traffic. Not only that, it also filter out junk traffic and useless clicks, so you don't have to pay for those junk traffic and the useless clicks. But it also covers your funds by refunding your money if a vendor fails to deliver the quality clicks. So how much does it cost? The price of Udemy solo ads is not very high. Typically, it's between 35 cents to 95 cents per click. The reason why every solo ad cost is different is because that each seller set their own pricing on their per click basis. Usually, the higher cost per click rate is the higher quality of the email list that you can expect to get. Prime membership. Udemy users has the option to upgrade their accounts to the Prime membership, which costs you $19.95. If you get the Prime membership, you will get advanced filtering on your solo on top of the base filtering. So Udemy use JavaScript, IPv6, and then HTML5 to kill even more useless visits and save your money. Also, it helps them to identify potential bad seller to prevent click fraud in the future. On top of that, you'll be able to earn high affiliate commission with Prime subscription. So 50% from the Prime subscription of your referral, and then also 15% from each solo they buy. There's also an option to create custom affiliate agreements with Udemy vendors, and you can earn even higher commission. It can go as high as 90%. So what makes Udemy different from other solo ads marketplace? What really makes Udemy so different and effective from other marketplace is that every solo ad that you will purchase on this platform will be delivered to you. If you are unsatisfied, or you also have the option to create a dispute with the seller. Joining this platform as a buyer is easy, but joining it as a seller is involved a lot of testing to ensure a healthy and competitive environment. Udemy has these two different policies to protect buyers from fraudulent sellers. All worthless and bot generated clicks are automatically filtered out, and you won't have to pay a penny for such clicks. So if the seller fails to provide you a target traffic and clicks, then your payment will be refunded with the exact amount with which you made the purchase. What exactly are solo ads? As an internet marketer, you may or may not have heard about these terms before, but that's absolutely fine. We actually did a full write-up on the article, what are the solo ads. Solo ad is mainly an email ad that you buy from the sellers who has this mailing list on their account. So when you purchase a solo ad, the mailing list owners will create a campaign to send an email with your ad. A successful solo ad means that mailing list subscriber will click on the links, which is your ad, and do some activities on your website on the sales page, such as buying your service or subscribing to your list and so on. Are solo ads good? So when it comes to this type of advertising, what's really great about it is that it's much cheaper than other services like Facebook ad or Google AdWords or YouTube ad and so on. Moreover, as a buyer, you have significantly fewer restrictions on what you can promote and what not. For instance, if you can talk with the seller, he or she can even allows you to clock your links and so on. Hopefully that was easy to understand. So everything seems to be so easy and fun, right? Well, what I talk about is, it was the easy part, but the tricky part is to task several sellers to filter out, only those whose service give you a better conversion. How do I use Udemy? So here I have listed a few steps you will have to follow to purchase a solo ad. First, create a free account. So you can just click on the description below. You can find the link. And then second, after registration, you can browse the marketplace. You can use the filters provided by the platform to sort out vendors based on their pricing, minimum target traffic, upvotes, and turnaround time, and etc. Third, for better click rates, I will suggest you to use sales and rating filter to sort out the vendors in ascending order. So from here, you will have a good glimpse, on the top of the vendors and their performance along with their, customer reviews. All these details will help you to take a better decision. Fourth, once you have selected your vendors, click on the slider to change the number of clicks that you want to purchase from this solo ad seller. Then you will have to specify the date and the URL to which the clicks will be delivered. Fifth, click on add to cart button and finalize your order by confirming the payment. Once you have placed your order, then you will have an access to a vital statistic, and it will give you the ability to track the performance of your sellers. Now let's talk about pros and cons of Udemy. For this Udemy review, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of the platform. The pros, it's one of the most significant advantages of using Udemy is that it connects buyers with only registered sellers. Now, as I have already told you, every seller has to pass a lot of tests, to confirm the quality of their mailing list, and it's something which makes Udemy superior to almost every other marketplace. One another fabulous advantage is complete buyer protection, and personally I feel it is something very similar to PayPal buyer protection policies. Udemy ensures that buyers receive only legit clicks and automatically filters out junk clicks. Furthermore, if the seller receives any negative feedback from any of the clients, those feedbacks won't be deleted under any circumstances. This is not only gives the buyers valuable information on the sellers, but also proves why Udemy is the best marketplace for solo ads. Let's talk about the cons. In order to access traffic filters, you will need to pay an extra fee for every order that you place. That's one of the cons. And other cons is the quality of sellers is definitely better than other marketplaces, but most of the sellers will only accept ads make money online niche. Alright friends, so in this video I have given you or I've explained about the Udemy solo ads review, buy cheap and high converting solo ads. So if you want to build successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if the information in this video is helpful to you, please like this video. It helps the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my other 2 videos here. So this video will help you to understand more about affiliate marketing. So you have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.